Shire. 3C3.
And you take here.
3C3.
You take here, then comparatively, like you check.
You have to be breathing now.
Yeah, you check, and he has to be breathing, right? You check.
He's not saying anything. He's not vocabulary.
You check.
No,
he's not meant to be talking.
He's not meant to be talking.
Okay.
So you just check normal comparative ones.
Is that above the clavicle?
Which we know. Yeah.
That's for
We're both saying it.
yeah.
I'm hearing his voice, not mine. And you check here. You check here. Like first, you check. Like the sound must be vesicular, must be corresponding. And then when you check normal to the border, to the last point, and you leave it. Then for this behind side, it's very simple. What you simply do is that you put it here. You tell the man to say 99. He says 99.
We don't do from above.
Yeah,
No.
you do. No. You do from below mostly. I think that's what she said. You can still do from above because she said she was behind and then she did something like this.
So
And
that
like
means
this.
you can still do from above.
Yeah,
Do it.
and then she took it and told the person to say 99. She took it and told the person to say 99. And forget
Just
that-
one.
Tell me to say it.
Just one. That's all.
That's just between these.
Front, don't talk. Posterior, talk.
No, posterior you have to talk. You have to talk because of this
So-
point.
Anterior, no talking.
Anterior not talking.
Posterior.
You talk.
Not sure.
And the ones he talks again is this one that I think during infrared that he was doing, which you do something like this. I don't know, for babies. There are 3 methods: the Yankowski, the Obrasov, and one other guy like that. So what you do is like when you put it, something like this. That's comparatively percussion. That's for those inferior borders. That's for
No, that one for kidney.
no,
That's for kidney, yeah.
That one's for kidney. But at the same time, when you're doing for babies, for normal percussion, there are those 3 methods I mentioned: Obrasov, Yankowski. So if she asks you
What-
for 2 to 3 methods,
What are the different?
3 months old, it's different because you use your hand flat and then you'll be tapping from thorax first. Posteriorly, you'll be doing like normal testing lightly because it's a baby, the muscles are not yet developed. And for behind, you hold the baby.
Which one is the one?
You put your palm under the baby and then you'll be checking it. That's the Obrasov method. Be small.